Everglades in Florida is a popular place, both for tourists and for snakes. These are Burmese pythons, and they're not originally from around here. They come all the way from Southeast Asia. So how did they end up on the other side of the world? Burmese pythons were first brought to Florida as pets. They start off small, but can grow to more than 5 meters. That's longer than a mail truck. Unfortunately, some owners weren't prepared for such a huge pet, so released them into the wild. Other snakes simply escaped and slithered off into the Everglades. Those escapees would have felt right at home in Florida. It's hot, and there are lots of swamps, just like their natural habitat. And there are plenty of animals to eat, too. From birds to deer, it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. Unfortunately, this has had a big impact on the animals that are originally from the Everglades, known as the native species. Since pythons were introduced, the number of raccoons and rabbits in the region has dropped massively. In fact, a full-grown python only has 2 main animals to worry about: large alligators that are big enough to fight back, and humans. These scientists are tracking and capturing pythons to try to keep the population under control and bring balance back to the ecosystem. However, with up to 100,000 now living here, it won't be easy. So that's how a snake from Southeast Asia ended up in the southern Florida, where it went from being an exotic pet to a dangerous pest.